To graph a linear equation, you want to do the same type of thing. You want to find out what the slope is, and the slope is always the m. So here it's 2/5, and my y-intercept is 0, 3. So we're actually going to start at 0, 3 and do a slope of up to over 5, down to over 5, down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we rewrite the equation along the line. Let's take a look at the next one. You want it to be y equals mx plus b. Well, there is no mx. Remember, we talked about this. What number could you put in for m that would cancel that out? A 0. The b is what's given. Your y-intercept is going to be 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. And a slope of 0. Remember when we learned about 0 and we wrote all horizontal lines have a 0 slope. So this must be a horizontal line. Y equals 3. All horizontal lines will be y equals a number. This one is a little bit tricky. X equals -4. So if you think of y equals mx plus b, it doesn't make the x disappear. It actually makes the y disappear and be unable to get a number. So this one is actually tricky. And think back about the last question. All horizontal lines have a y equals. All vertical lines have an undefined slope and will be x equals a number. So notice how on the last one we started at 3 on the y. Y equals 3, start at 3 on the y. X equals -4, that means we want to start at -4 on the x. But it needs to be a vertical line. And all vertical lines will be x equals -4. Let's try one more. See if at all possible. Get that y by itself by moving over the 2x. I'm going to put the 2x in front of the 4 so that it's almost like y equals mx plus b. This reduces to -1x plus 2. I'm going to write my slope as a fraction to make it easier. 0, 2. So you need to start at 2. And this has to go down 1 over 1. It's got to be pointing negative. And I want you to go back up and use the entire graph. And when you label this, I want you to label with your original equation.